Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation for IBM Smart Intense Act Challenge 2021. So here is our presentation about the project we have done. So analytics tool for e-commerce business, and this project is done by us. Our team name is 120K, and team members are Navin Kumar K, Loganathan, myself, Gopinath, and Sir Bharati. So first we'll be discussing what the problem statement is all about. So with the increase in consumer demand, so e-commerce has boomed a lot. So we all know, and this e-commerce industry sells variety of things such as foods, apparel, games, toys, and hobby items, furniture, appliances, and etc. And it is really important to analyze each industry and then to know the profits, losses, and sales for each of everything. So next, the general description and proposed solution. So with the basic understanding of problem statement, we started to figure out the following things. So we thought of making order level analysis, product level analysis, sales level analysis, and shopping patterns with suitable graphs and explanations. So general description and proposed solution. So when it comes to order level analysis, we thought of making analysis on regions having more number of orders, frequent frequency distribution of quantity order, and then product level analysis sets percentage sales by different product categories, max profitable products, product incurring losses, and frequently bought products. So when it comes to sales level analysis, we thought of making yearly sales over different states, forecasting future sales based on shipping date, and then profit or sales trend over time. And then the shopping patterns, so items that are bought together using algorithms such as association rule meaning. So novelty and uniqueness in our project. So we thought of adding a customer level analysis because it is really valuable in the growth of e-commerce business. And then we also plan to include uh, analytics graph along with its use cases and brief explanation rather than plain graphs. It will be useful for business people to take decisions based on these things. And we planned of making a simple front-end website where you can see all this analytics dashboard page. So how these things work. So business impact with our dashboard, the business people can quickly take decisions based upon the data, and then it will be easier for them to visualize things since we are representing them in a graphical form. And then using the product level analysis, the company can find what are the top selling and profitable products and targeting mainly on them to increase profit as well as the increasing number of customers, using sales level analysis with the counting investing people to make better business strategies. So business impact. So using customer level analysis, we can segment the customers into various groups, such as it will be very useful to target each group differently and personally. So technology stack, we thought of making a website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So here we have done with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript static dashboard page. And then the scope of our work. So any data analytic or data science application scope depends on quality of data. So here we plan to utilize the data set from Kaggle, and then the model prediction are done using ML algorithms. And then other than that, uh, our, our front-end tool will be more suitable for startup e-commerce companies in making business decisions. So these are the references which we have used. So now I'll be showing you the demo. So without any further delay, we have started searching for data sets. So first we come to this page and we got US Superstore data. So this data set gives insights of online orders of a superstore in US. So this is from 2014 to 18. So we just make use of this data set. So we just hosted in GitHub and connected to our Google Colab. So in this Google Colab, I have shared my Google Colab in the link in README file. So here I have done all the necessary package imports, and then just view what are rows, columns are present here, and how much each column are important. And then so there are approximately 10,000 rows are there. Yeah. So and then we started off making an exploratory data analysis in the given data set and figure out what are the columns are there and how many null values are there. Since this data set doesn't have any null values, we just directly jump into EDA part, and then we remove unnecessary columns. And then first we started with product level analysis. So we figured out what are unique categories and subcategories are there, and then we thought of making a graph which represents a relation between those things. And then in different subcategory, which subcategory are bought in a larger quantity. So we thought of making displaying it with the help of pie chart. And then this one is for total profits and sales for each subcategory. So what this particular thing has a lot of profit than the sales. And then with this is for each item. So uh, the item different items bought percentage, and then uh, this is for subcategory and a count of each item. So in which region, which what type of category are bought in more amount. So those things. And then so we thought of making these kinds of interpretations, and then now we'll be looking on into customer level data. So we thought of figuring out which what type of customer are frequently visiting our shop. So consumer, corporate segment, and home office. So and then we thought of figuring, figuring out the top 20 profitable customers. And then now I just went on to order level uh, analysis, where we just uh, classify things based on time, shipping time, those things. So after the EDA part done, we exported all those images separately, and then thought of making a website. So we have done website using simple HTML, CSS. So I'll be showing you the website. So this is our homepage, single static page website. So here I'm just showing you the sample data set from US Superstore. So this is the sample test data set. So you can also download the data set if you want to see the same data set part with 5 rows. If you want, you just can download it for viewing purpose, and all those analysis EDA purposes, EDA pie charts and diagrams I'm displaying it here. So product level analysis, so all those relationship, and then this is for variety of items, and then those all the graphs I'm displaying here, and this is for customer level analysis, and then this project is done by us. So even this website is mobile responsive, so you don't need to worry about this responsiveness. So I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Thank you. We are hoping for the best. Thank you.